Europa pasó años reduciendo acero. Hoy vuelve a fundirlo. Cuando la defensa de Europa necesita más que promesas, necesita poder de fuego real.
Te presento el Leopard 2A8, el tanque de guerra más avanzado que Alemania ha preparado para el campo de batalla moderno. Con mejoras en blindaje, electrónica y armamento, el Leopard 2A8 es el símbolo de la nueva era de la guerra terrestre en Europa. Bienvenidos a Global Arms Factory.
We are within tolerance on the forward axis.
Confirmed. The alignment is secure. Proceed with locking the ring.
Alignment confirmed, engineer. Zero tolerance.
Very good, technician. Begin the locking sequence.
Clear on the left side. Bring it down another 5 centimeters.
Confirmed, centered, and locked.
Lower the mount 5 millimeters. Slight adjustment to the starboard side. Hold position for alignment check.
Alignment is green. Lowering sequence initiated.
Roger that. Holding steady.
Align the breech block. Trajectory adjusted to 0.01.
Confirmed. Engaging hydraulic stabilization.
Bestätigt, fahren Sie mit der Absenksequenz fort. Achten Sie auf die Ausrichtung an der Steuerbordseite.
Alignment check complete. Proceed with securing the harness.
Torque wrench engaged. Connection secure.
Alignment is confirmed on the starboard side.
Proceed with the locking sequence.
All indicators are green. Integration complete.
All right, easy now. Watch the alignment on the left side.
It's perfectly seated. Engaging the torque wrench now.
All internal systems are online and communicating with the centralized network. Check the throughput on the fiber channel. The link is stable across all bands.
Confirmed, we are fully integrated.
Calibration sequence complete.
Stabilization is within tolerance. Success.
Confirmed. Proceed to next stage.
Maintain vertical lift. We are clearing the mount point now.
Roger that. Recoil system check is green. Running diagnostics on the FCS.
Hold position. We are clear for final seating. Confirmed. Running stabilization check now.
The traverse and elevation are within tolerance.
Confirmed. The stabilization test was successful. We are good to proceed.
Stabilization sequence initiated. Monitoring primary axis.
Telemetry confirms alignment. All systems are green.
Calibration sequence complete.
Stabilization is within tolerance. Success.
Confirmed. Proceed to next stage.
Final adjustments are critical. The turret rotation test ensures pinpoint accuracy before the Leopard undergoes its final track trials.
After meticulous final adjustments, the Leopard 2A8 undergoes functional testing, culminating in a live fire exercise to confirm combat readiness.
Keep lowering it slowly now. Adjust the front alignment. The tolerances look good. Securing the clamps.
Clear on your side?
Yes, proceeding with the final adjustment.
Torque is good. We are secured.
All tolerances are within specifications. The fit is perfect.
Excellent. Torque sequence complete.
Lower by 5 millimeters. Hold steady.
Alignment metrics confirmed. Proceed with locking sequence.
The fire control system is online. Check the diagnostics.
All parameters are nominal, ready for final integration.
Run the stabilization test sequence now. Monitor the hydraulic pressure.
All parameters are stable, Chief. The rotation is smooth.
The resonance frequency is stable.
Confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance.
To ensure battlefield dominance, the Leopard 2A8 is put through extreme traction tests, showcasing the raw power of its engine across mud and sand.
The production of the Leopard 2A8 accelerates with the increase in work shifts and the expansion of productive capacity.
The production of the Leopard 2A8 accelerates with the increase in work shifts and the expansion of production capacity.
The production of the Leopard 2A8 has accelerated significantly, thanks to increased work shifts and expanded capacity across the facility.
Check the alignment on Module 7.
Looks good from here. Cleared for welding.
Confirmed. Proceeding.
corte de acero hasta el poder de fuego que ahora forma parte de la defensa de Europa. El Leopard 2A8 no es solo un tanque, es la señal de que Europa vuelve a fabricar poder. Alemania ha vuelto a la producción de poder militar pesado y lo ha hecho para quedarse. Esto es Global Arms Factory.